Join me as I clean. Just look at what my kids has done in this room. Just look at the mess they made. So I'm going to be putting everything back to his position. Like, I don't know, it's only my kids that are doing this. After messing everywhere up, they will just switch position. They will look for clean place to play again. As I'm talking to you, they're in the sitting room. Before I will know now, they will mess them up as well. So guys, I need to arrange everything and put them back where they took them from. They only do this at home. In school, after they finish playing, they need to arrange everything back to where they took it from. But when they play at home, they don't like to do it. I don't know why, because I've worked in school for like 1 month before. I know how they do it. I knew this is my son handwork. He is the one that is capable to do this. So I need to clear everywhere up, guys. See you on my next video. Please hit the subscribe and like button for more videos.
Your life, your way, a canvas so grand, creating beauty with steady hands. The world tunes in, inspired, amazed. With Ella Hosanna, we're beautifully dazed. Through laughter, through tears, you let yourself soar. A beacon of hope, we couldn't ask for more. Every click, every frame, it's all your art. Eloy Sana, you've captured our hearts. Finding the beauty in simple grace. Everyday moments, they fall into place. You show the world it's okay to believe that life is a gift and joy is what we weave. Your life, your way, a canvas so grand, creating beauty with steady hands. The world tunes in, inspired, amazed. With Ella Sana, we're beautifully dazed. Through life, through tears, you let yourself soar. A beacon of hope, we couldn't ask for more. Every click, every frame, it's all your art. Hello, Hosanna, you've captured our